Good day everyone. So for today's video we have tackled about the neuroscience and the brain development, and today I am going to share my ideas about the video lecture that is being presented. That is being presented. So about the neuroscience, studying the nervous system advances understanding of our basic biology and body function. Knowing how things typically work can help shed light on what may happen when there are problems. It can help researchers find ways to prevent or treat problems that affect our brain, nervous system, and body. So the brain, our unique window to the world, is finally giving up some of its longest held secrets, the map of its networks, which control our thoughts, our actions, as well as our uh, energy expenditure. So, which is specifically targeted in conditions such as chronic stress and trauma. Repair mechanism within our nervous system, which decay our chronic insults are being located, including inflammatory signaling between the gut, the hormonal balance, and the supporting brain cells called the glia. The brain process information and incredible speeds, filtering energy delivered by the bloodstream and the other cognitive, which is the cognitive means that to produce a cohesive narrative we call reality with impeccable timing, all while spending less than a voltage of an extremely weak light bulb and weighing only around 3 pounds. So we are enthralled that we can finally look deeper in our internal map and devote some effort to the health of this marvelous organ. But the brain is not just an organ. You may also say that its structural involves growing and become literal unique expression of ourselves. And so the brain health is not simply to the heart health or kidney health. Are you would be correct, but unless we can gain better insight into the physiology and molecular workings of a healthy brain, we will never be able to gain the perspective on this complex timing and energy expenses to optimize its performance. So about the second one is the brain development. So the brain is the command center of a human body. A newborn baby has the brain cells, which we call the neurons. They'll have the they'll have that for the rest of their life, but it's the connection between these cells that really make the brain work. Brain connections enable us to move, think, communicate, and do just about everything that, what do you call this? Do everything about the early childhood uh, early childhood years are crucial for making these connections. At least 1 million new neural connections are made every second, more than at any other time in life. Different areas of the brain are responsible for different abilities like movement, language, and also our emotion and development at different rates. So brain development builds on itself as connections as connections eventually link with each other more complex ways, like uh, uh, how do you call this, the child's brain development connections. They need to be healthy and capable to become more successful adults. the connections needed for many important higher level abilities like motivation, self-regulation, problem solving, and communication for them to become more successful, for our for them for us to be more prepared for our late adults. So it's much harder for these essential brain connections that is to be formed later in life. So that's all for my video for today. Thank you for watching, everyone. Keep safe.